So I am just sharing Raja's resume. Raja, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Superb. So you have made it as per the format which I shared, right?
Actually, sir, I have made it last year.
Last year you made it in the same format, is it?
Yes, sir.
Good. First person to have a Twitter ID. Are you active on Twitter?
Yes, sir. I used to share my coding journey progress on Twitter.
Very nice. Very good. So Twitter is now X. Okay. So please correct it.
Okay.
Okay. This is good name, and see, this is the right way to mention, guys, all your details. Name on the top in bigger font, and then then the rest of the details. Education, I will appreciate if you can also mention your 10th and 12th, since it is a part of your eligibility criteria. So if you can find some space, you have some space below, right?
Yes.
You can, correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, sir, I have heard like some people say that if you have done your bachelor's, then there's no need to mention your 10th
No,
or
it
12th.
is it is for experience hiring.
Okay.
Experience hiring, bachelor is enough, and then freshers hiring 10, 12 is matters because that's a part of eligibility.
Okay.
So this all these are internship, right?
No, sir. The second one is freelance work, and the rest of them are internship.
Then you should write freelance work. Okay. All right then. ठीक है. Hmm. The time period of this is missing. So,
Actually, sir, there was not a specific amount of time
so
period.
you were
So
given the task and you can finish that, right?
yes, I finished it. So
Makes sense. Yeah. Now this is good. So all your projects are on GitHub. Yeah. Here it
yes.
is. Hmm. Okay. So whatever you have highlighted, you will get questions from here. Ready to
Okay.
face it? Ready to
Yes,
face
sir.
questions on Node.js?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, actually, sir, I wanted to ask, I've primarily focused on front-end development, and like this project you have currently highlighted, it's my group project, and the backend was built by my friend. So,
You
to
can
but
mention that.
to
You can
okay,
mention that.
so I can mention it in my resume.
Yeah, no, you can mention while answering.
Okay.
See, it was a team project and my role was in the front end. That's okay.
So, should I write about this like a
No,
Node.js
that's
and
okay. That's
experience?
okay. No, so you know this or not?
I know this, but like if they go in depth, then I might
Then
follow.
don't highlight it at least, please. You have
Okay.
highlighted it, okay? You can tell the difference between Node.js and others, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. You have anyway written front end mastery, so but you have written back end brilliance.
Yes, sir. Actually, I asked ChatGPT to
No, no, no,
do some changes,
no,
and
no, no. Don't
I was planning to remove it.
yeah,
Uh,
remove it. Remove both the things because you are not confident about backend. So better you just mention bullet points like this.
okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So what is the score of your resume? ATS score.
sir. Last time I checked, it was around 82. And
Why it is not 100?
sir, I believe I believe there's room for improvement. Like I haven't mentioned the percentages and like how much progress I've made.
Is this project there on your web? So you have used already Gemini API to check, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, you have already used the Gemini process to check, right? So
Yes, sir.
you
Actually, what it does is it. I have given a template to the Gemini API,
mm,
and when someone uploads their resume to the website,
so it
then
Gemini
it
the
converts to the template given template.
I get it. Then Gemini test it and give it a score, right?
Yes,
Hmm. Okay. ठीक है. So again, you will have questions from Java, right?
yes, sir.
and then React as well. React. So this is Node.js or Next.js?
So Next.js.
Next.js. Here you mentioned Node.js.
Node.js is a server
Uh,
backend, and Next.js is is a framework of React that combines front end and backend together in one place.
so as long as you can explain everything, it is fine.
Yes,
Hmm. You can mention some achievements below.
sir. Actually, the while making the resume, it was going beyond 2 pages.
No, no, there I can see spaces here.
Uh,
Make zero margins. Make margin zero, and you don't
okay,
have to mention like this participation. It you make it extracurricular firstly instead of participation.
okay,
Write
extracurricular.
extracurricular, and
Okay,
then just write bullet point. Don't bifurcate like this. So,
okay, okay.
so when you will mention like this now, so you will get some space. So you
Got
can
it, sir.
mention achievement and you can also mention your 10th and 12th. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So one thing I tell you why you have a resume, your resume have less ATS score. You know why?
Uh,
Because ATS is not able to read this kind of icons.
okay, sir.
That is one thing. Secondly, if you remove these lines, can you see these lines?
Yes, sir.
Your score will improve.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just try that. I'm sure it will improve.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. You are a prime candidate, Raja.
Yes, sir.
Very, very good CV, very deserving. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So when is your interview date is not planned, right?
Yes, sir. It is not planned, but in Lucknow, they have given the information to Ninja candidates that the interview will be on 13th.
So prime candidates panels are different, so it might be on a different date for sure.
Yes, actually, sir, I am also not well. Like I was admitted in the hospital last week, so I haven't prepared really well. So,
No, it's not.
i- do you
Take
think should I tell to the interview that I was not well?
no, 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 not. See, you are sounding well. You are sounding confident,
Yes,
and
sir.
it is very less about preparation when you have done a lot. Okay, only those people require preparation who have not done many things. When you have done things, then you have a lot of you know uh, content to speak, right?
Yes, sir. I'm just worried. Like maybe I get something that is like I might slip and
So,
maybe out of box.
no, so that possibility is with everyone. Even you
Yes,
prepare also, then also that possibility will be there, isn't it?
yes.
And then a good interview is always 60-70%. You cannot answer all the questions for sure.
Okay,
Okay. See, I cannot say anything about Gen AI, machine learning in your resume, but as a prime candidate, you should definitely read about it.
okay,
Okay, so please go through the concepts of Gen AI and Gen AI and ML, machine learning. Okay, so latest technologies you should be knowing.
okay.
Only Gemini was one thing which was there. Okay,
Yes.
which was the Gen AI tool. Otherwise, nothing
So
was.
there was also OpenAI API that uses ChatGPT.
Uh, no, so you read about it. How does Gen AI work? How does machine learning works?
Okay, okay.